TradeMonster.com, 4.5 stars, best online broker, 2 years running according to Barron's. TradeMonster.com.
Welcome back to the Florida CME Group here in Chicago, April 15th. I'm Killer from Treasury Curve. Treasury Curve is an institutional money market portal. We assist firms in their overnight cash management. Let's look at this market, folks. We have seen a continued sloppy, choppy trade, but today I think we have finally found some leadership in the Treasury complex. They are buying and grabbing every treasury they can get their hands on. We've seen a really substantial move in the 10-year. We're talking about a 20 basis point move this week. You typically don't see that, so maybe this is foreshadowing. Clearly we're seeing the VIX come off at historic lows in the 15 handle. We're seeing all these moving parts, but I think the continued situation, overseas and sovereign debt, domestically here, the lack of clarity we've talked about to a great extent coming out of Washington, the continued fight politically, I think that has finally taken a toll. We're seeing the S&P kind of around this 1308 to 1318 level, but I really think the treasuries are leading. Let me know, comment here in this video, is this flight to quality play? Is this the beginning of the downturn in the stock market? Is this happening now? Is this going to foreshadow some turmoil? Let me know, or get me at the Killer on my Twitter account. But these treasuries, let's talk about this for 1 second. This 10-year, they are screaming north right now. We saw a great grab on Tuesday for those treasuries. We saw a sustained bid, and they came in another wave. We're seeing a lot of block trades. For those of you not aware of the block trades here at the CME Group are kind of a negotiated trade that posts about 15 minutes afterwards. So we're seeing a lot of block trades. It doesn't truly disclose if it's a buy or sell, but let's be honest, these block trades, they're coming in and buying treasuries across the gamut. So I think this treasury is not done yet. Where is this 10-year going? Can it get down to 3.25? Can it get down to 3? Obviously, we are going to be having rates normalize and rates move, but that's all contingent on us getting not knocked off this road to recovery. So the S&P, we are in no man's land right now. We're continuing to see that trade, but I think if we get under that 1297 level, which we have tested twice now, they continue to buy. It's like they're protecting it. Maybe it's Uncle Ben back with his little controller board doing that implicit bid. But I really think if we do rotate under that, we could see some volume, because these anemic volumes are really frustrating from a trader perspective, because you can't really get in and out of the market like you typically want to. We're seeing continued HFT action in the S&P. Be careful of that. There's a lot of pump fakes going on. I tweeted that this morning. And the euro currency, we're seeing the euro currency finally loosen up a little bit. But I think the oil trade today, obviously we're back above that $109 a barrel level. We're really seeing that volatility in there. But I think as the S&P rolls under, it will be lock in step with the oil market. So have a great weekend. Be careful trading today. From the Florida CME Group, I'm the Killer. Remember one thing for the rest of the day: be the hammer, not the nail.
I can take it to the next level, baby. If you want this good